Hello friends, welcome to this lecture. In the last lecture we have shown how to get free traffic, and in the previous lecture we have even also saw how to set up our website and how to write articles on WordPress and based on our keywords and to get it promoted and get some free traffic. Now once you have written 4 to 5 different articles on your niche and keywords and have started getting good traffic, some traffic on your website, you should go and register for Google AdSense. Now under Google AdSense, once you register your website, Google will start displaying different ads on your website on different portions like side banners or somewhere. For example, if you go to any website like keto diet, if you go to any website, any blog like this healthline.com, and if we see, they might have some. So here you can see, here they are presenting Udemy banner advertisement. Here also they are presenting some advertisement from Amazon.in, so they are getting Amazon.in advertisement. Here they have Udemy advertisement. So this is all coming from Google AdSense. So they have registered their website under Google AdSense and Google is displaying their ads. Now Google pays you money for displaying ads. Depending on your traffic, you get monetization. You can monetize your blog or your website and your articles. As we know, our main focus is affiliate marketing and promoting different affiliate products, but we know that under affiliate the conversion rate is always 1% or 2%. So for every 10,000 visitors, 100 visitors will get converted. So you'll earn affiliate commission from 100 people, 100 visitors only. But the 10,000 visitors who visits your website, you don't get any monetization from them except for the ranking that you get from Google. But using Google AdSense, Google pays you for every time the advertisement is displayed on your website. So those 10,000, those 9,900 visitors who don't buy any product using your affiliate link, but still you can get some money, some compensation for them also through Google AdSense. So Google will display regularly ads on the traffic that lands on your page, like we land on this page and we saw the ads of Udemy and Amazon.in. So they are promoting through Google AdSense, and if we click on this, they might receive more commission from Google AdSense based on there are two kinds of, one is CPC and one is that is cost per click, and CPM, that is cost per impression. So per 1,000 impression Google pays them $1, and based on different clicks they pay them another cost per click method. They get some good earnings. So you can easily earn $100 to $200. Some people earn thousands of dollars, $10,000 per month from Google AdSense itself. But they have some good traffic. They have at least 100,000 to 200,000 traffic per month, and they are getting some good Google AdSense. And they are getting some money from AdSense, not from Google AdSense, but from advertisements. So you can start, once you have written, all you have to do is just write 4 to 5 articles and start getting some free traffic on your website. As we have saw through the free traffic method, you can get at least 1,000 to 2,000 traffic within first 20 days. So once you get that, all you have to do is just go to Google AdSense, sign up and link your website. It's very simple. They will guide you through some of the steps and you will be able to show advertisement on your website and on your articles page. Like here they are showing different advertisement on different, these are sidebar advertisements. In the middle you can see these banner advertisements. So they pay you good amount of money for advertisement. Now once you start, in the beginning you might have small traffic from 1,000 to 10,000 per visitors per month, but once you grow your traffic from 20,000, 30,000, 50,000 visitors per month, different websites will contact you directly for advertising their own advertisement directly rather than going through Google, because Google takes a 30% cut on every advertisement. So whatever advertising websites are paying to Google takes 30% of it and pays you remaining from them. So Google is taking 30% of advertisement that are displayed on you. But initially, as you don't have much visitors or much people who visit on your website, so Google AdSense is the starting point. But once you start getting a good amount of traffic from 40,000 to 1 lakh to 2 lakh per month, different websites will directly contact you for displaying their ads, like banner ads. For example, Udemy could have contacted Healthline for displaying their banner ads monthly, and they can pay you, depending on your traffic, they can pay you anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per month for specific rents, or like $2 to $10 per day for 1 day advertisement. Like you can show their banner for 1 day on all the advertisements that come on all the visitors that come to your blog, and they can pay you $2 to $10 per day. Or some people might even buy for a month, like if your traffic is good, they can pay you $1,000 just for a banner ad on your website for 1 month. Like here they have Amazon.in, you can get a banner ad here for 1 month continuously, and they can pay you from anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month for displaying their ads. So this is what we call renting the space of advertising on your website. So you can rent spaces, you can earn money. So these are side earning you can get from your blog. So why not monetize our blog in different ways? Affiliate marketing is our main goal, but we can earn money through different goals. We are writing articles, we are getting good amount of visitors. Only 1% to 5% of those visitors are converting, but remaining are just visitors to your website. So we can monetize them also by using these advertisement banners and contacting companies. Rather, companies will contact you after you get certain amount of visitors on your blog. Companies will contact you for advertisements, and you can easily earn $200 to $1,000 per month on the work done once. You have to write articles once. All you have to do is try to get more and more traffic to it, and you can earn good amount of commission through affiliate marketing, and also through advertisements and Google advertisements through various other sources. So you can add up many other sources. And also there are other ways of earning money through your website, like consulting. Once you get good amount of traffic, you can in fact create consulting. You can even start your own products, your own digital products. You can sell your own books, your own digital products. There are many things that you can do, as we will go in the blueprint, in the affiliate marketing blueprint. I will show you from starting from day 1 to 1 year what we should do and how we should change our strategy to get more and more benefits with time. So that's all for now. So definitely start a website, start your blog, and go and register for Google AdSense. After you have written 4 to 5 articles and have some good amount of traffic, you should register to Google AdSense. It will give you some side income on your blog, which can help you recover your cost instantly. Very quickly you can recover the cost that you have invested, that is the 71 or whatever plan that you have taken of Bluehost or whatever hosting channel you have taken. You can easily recover through Google AdSense itself. So thank you. I'll meet you in the next lecture.